In this lecture, we will discuss the basic concept which you have already studied in your school level. Now, let us start introduction. Let P and Q be any 2 points in a plane. Let capital P and capital Q be any 2 points in a plane. The line joining P and Q is denoted by PQ. Is denoted by PQ. That is, this is the line which is joining the point P and Q. It is denoted by like this. It is denoted by like this. Now, the distance between P and Q, the distance between P and Q is denoted by the distance between P and Q is denoted by PQ. The line segment P and Q is denoted by like this. Means this is the point P and this is the point Q. The line segment PQ. The line segment PQ. Now, the line joining the line with initial point P and passing through Q. Passing through Q is called the ray. Is called the ray and is denoted by means the line whose initial point is P and continuously passes through the point Q. Then this one is said to be the ray whose initial point is P and passes through Q. This is called the line joining P and Q, means passing P and Q, and it is denoted by like this. The distance between P and Q is denoted by PQ. The line segment, only this part, whose initial point is P and terminal point is Q, is said to be a line segment, which is denoted by this one. Any line which passes through, which initial point is P and passes through Q, is said to be the ray. Is said to be now. Cartesian coordinates. Rectangular Cartesian coordinates. Let O be any point in the plane. Let O be any point in the plane. Let x dash x and y dash y be perpendicular lines passing through. Let x dash x, y dash y be perpendicular line passing through O. Since they both are perpendicular to each other and they are passing through the common point O, I took two perpendicular lines. Since they both are perpendicular, they are making the angle 90 degrees and both the lines are passing through O. So this is the point O. This is the point O. So one line is horizontal, another line is vertical. So let us take the line x dash O x is horizontal, this one, x dash O x, and the line y dash O y is vertical. Y dash O y. We will call as origin associated with the number 0. O is called the origin associated with the number 0. Associated with the number 0. So this one is the origin. This one is the origin. Dash x, this horizontal line is called as x-axis, and this y dash y is called the y-axis, and both are called the coordinate axis, and this entire plane is called the coordinate plane. The line x dash O x is called the x-axis, and the line y dash O y is called the y-axis. Is called the y-axis, and this plane is called the coordinate plane. X and y axis is also called as coordinate axis. This one is the, this entire is the x axis, and this one is y axis. This one is y axis. X dash x and y dash y are also called as coordinate axis. Is also called as coordinate axis. Now, let us take P is any point. Let us take P is any point in the coordinate plane. Let capital P be any point in the coordinate plane. Let capital P be any point in the plane. The distance of this point from the x-axis, let us take as the distance of the point P from the x-axis, let us take as y, small y. The distance of the point P from the y-axis is taken as x. Since this one is parallel to this one, then this distance will be x. Since this one is parallel to this one, and then this distance will be y. Let P be any point in the coordinate plane. Let small x and small y. Let small x and small y be the distance of P from the y and x axis, y axis and x axis respectively. X is the distance of point P from the y axis, y is the distance of point P from the x axis. Means for every point P, we will get x and y. For every point P, we will get order pair x and y. This x is called x coordinate or abscissa. This y is called y coordinate or ordinates. Okay. Now, the x is called thus x is called coordinate or abscissa. The x is called x coordinate or abscissa and y is called y coordinate, or simply ordinate, means for every point P we will get x and y. Conversely, for every point x and y we will get the point P. This system, now this perpendicular lines divide the entire plane into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. These parts are called the quadrant. Let us denote this one as the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So let us take this one as Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Now, the point P is denoted by P of x comma y, means whatever the x and y we got, according to that we can denote sometimes P of x comma y, or simply P is equal to x comma y. Hence here P of x comma y, P of x comma y. The coordinate axis means x-axis and y-axis divides the coordinate plane into 4 quadrants. This coordinate axis divides the coordinate plane into 4 quadrants. Say Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Now let us write some of the properties using this one. Let P of x comma y be any point in the coordinate plane. Let I took P of x comma y be any point in the coordinate plane, maybe in the first quadrant, second, third or fourth. Second, third or fourth. Then first one, the point P of x comma y belongs to quadrant Q1, first quadrant. If and only if, when I can say that the point P belongs to the first quadrant if both the coordinates x and y both are positive. X is strictly greater than 0 y is also strictly greater than 0. Similarly, second one, p of x comma y belongs to Q2 if and only if in the second quadrant its x coordinate will be negative and y coordinate will be positive. X is negative, y is positive. Third one, p of x comma y belongs to the quadrant Q3 if and only if any point belongs to the third quadrant, its x coordinate will be negative and y coordinate will also negative. Fourth one, p of x comma y belongs to Q4 if and only if x is positive, y is negative. For our understanding, we can write before 0 we will get negative, after 0 we will get positive. Before 0 we will get negative and after 0 we will get positive. According to this, what you will get here? Both plus comma plus, and here minus comma plus, here minus comma minus, and here minus comma plus. Next one, fifth one. P of x comma y belongs to x-axis. If P is any point on this x-axis, let us take this is the point P, then the distance of P from the x-axis will be 0, that is y is 0. So here I can say if and only if y is 0. Next one, p of x comma y belongs to y axis if and only if its x coordinate is 0. If I take any point here, the distance of this point from this y axis, because it lies on the y axis, its distance is 0. P of x comma y, P of x comma y is equal to origin. P of x comma y is equal to origin if and only if x is equal to 0, which is also equal to y, which is also equal to y. Now distance between two points. Distance between two points. Corresponding to any two points, there exists a unique real number is said to be a distance between two points. Corresponding to any two points corresponding to any 2 points, there exists a unique non-negative real number is called the distance between those points, is called the distance between those points. Now, how to find this distance? Let us write down a formula. Let P of x1 comma y1 and Q of x2 comma y2. Let P of x1 comma y1 and Q of x2 comma y2 be the points in the plane. Then the distance between P and Q, the distance between P and Q is PQ is equal to under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This one is also written as under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here you can write QP. The reason behind writing QP, the distance from P to Q is same as distance from Q to P. So distance from P to Q will be same as distance from Q to P. These both are equal. So either you take this formula or this formula, both are same. Either you can use this one or this one. Next. Let O 0, 0 be the origin and P of x comma y be any point, then the distance between origin and the point P is OP is equal to under root. You can use any one of the formula. 0 minus x or x minus 0, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is OP is equal to under root x square plus y square. So what we got? Distance between two points P and Q. P is x1 comma y1 and Q is x2 comma y2 is, you can use this one or this one. Similarly, the distance between the point P of x comma y and the origin is this one. For example, let us find the distance between A of minus 1 comma 7 and B of 5 comma 2. Now what is the distance between the points A and B? Solution. Given points are A minus 1 comma 7 and B 5 comma 2. Let us take this one as x1, y1, x2, y2. The distance between A and B is AB is equal to under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, which is equal to under root x1 minus x2 minus 1 minus 5 whole square plus y1 minus y2 7 minus 2 whole square, which is equal to under root minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6 square plus 7 minus 2 is 5 square, which is equal to 36 plus 25, which is equal to